Radijator foundry was established in 1932. It is located only 45 kilometers from Novi Sad and some 70 kilometers from Belgrade. It has a complex of more than 30,000 square meters of production facilities and employs about 650 highly skilled workers. The production is carried out on automatic mold lines. Production capacity per year is 36,000 tons of gray and ductile iron castings. Radijator, as the largest and most modern foundry of gray and ductile iron castings in the region, also produces covers and grates for manholes, channels, fireplaces program, boiler articles, parts of furnaces, and radiator furnaces. Out of its entire annual production, 80% represents exports to Italy, Spain, Poland, the Netherlands, Croatia, Germany, Oman, and so on.